Here we come to the elevator at Beutel Health at Texas A&m University in College Station, Texas. Are you going down? This one's going down. Looks like it just got modernized or something. And this one is an Otis with a beautiful looking cab. Oh no, it's got a slap-on mod. Okay. I didn't plan on filming this anyway. Two. I think the call button might have been freshly replaced. We'll go back down to one end there. EPCO lantern, which doesn't work. The cab appears to be still original. I think they only just replaced the fixtures. This obviously used to have Lexan. See if it's classic leveling. Nope, it does not. Otis. All right, we'll watch it close. All right, there it goes. See, that is where the original call button used to be, right there, before it got partially replaced, when they partially replaced the fixtures. Okay, well, there it goes, and that's it.